Liverpool monitoring Bryan Mbeumo as a possible replacement for Salah if he leaves. Liverpool are already starting to prepare for a possible scenario without Mohamed Salah and, according to the English press, Brentford's Bryan Mbeumo has entered the club's radar for the next transfer window. The contract extensions of Salah, Virgil van Dijk and Trent Alexander-Arnold are the main topics at Anfield at the moment. Many believe that the Reds board will be able to reach an agreement with the Egyptian star, but reports from Egypt indicate that he has rejected the club's latest offer. This impasse raises the real possibility of a farewell at the end of the season, which would be a huge blow for Liverpool. Given this scenario, the directors are already looking for alternatives in the market. According to the Team Talk portal, Mbeumo appears as an option to replace Salah, if the renewal does not go through. The Cameroonian striker has stood out in the Premier League, accumulating 14 goals this season, behind only Alexander Isak, 17, Erling Haaland, 18, and Salah himself, 19, in the scoring charts. In addition to Liverpool, Newcastle United and Tottenham are also monitoring Mbeumo, but a deal is only expected to take place in the next transfer window. The player, who has a contract with Brentford until 2026, is said to be interested in a top Premier League club that competes in the Champions League and offers him a higher salary. Salah's departure, if it happens, would be as painful a blow as Jurgen Klopp's departure. Replacing such an iconic player will be a huge challenge for Liverpool. Even though Mbeumo is talented, it will be difficult for the fans to see him on the same level as the Egyptian, one of the greatest idols in the club's history. Salah is not just a Reds player, he has become part of Liverpool's identity. And whoever takes his place, there is no replacing what he represents to the club and its fans. If you liked the video, leave a like, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications and don't miss the next videos.